Hi, welcome to Infant Entrepreneur Classroom. I am Andrew and today we are looking at how to start a retail shop in Uganda. Although there is a rampant rise of online store businesses, many people still believe in the brick-and-mortar retail stores. Something about the in-person shopping experience in retail stores can't be replicated online. So, opening a retail shop in Uganda today is still valid. Now let us look at the steps you must go through to start a retail shop in Uganda. Step 1. Generate an idea. The first step to starting a retail shop in Uganda is coming up with your business idea. You'll want to start by figuring out what type of shop you want to open. You'll want to answer each of the following questions. What will your business sell? Who is your target customer? What type of prices will your business set? Who are the competitors in your industry and local area? Who will be on your team? There are dozens of other questions that need to be answered, but opening a retail shop is like opening any other business. It's critical that you determine what you want to sell and who makes up your target audience. It's essential to create a retail shop that satisfies the need of your customers. Step 2. Make a business plan. It is important to understand your competitive advantage and what makes your business unique. Retail is competitive, and you need to be clear on your business plan to find success. Identifying how your business helps your target market is arguably the most important aspect of opening any business. As you are making a business plan, remember that consumers have so many options today to learn about products. They have options in where to shop. They have options for how to buy. Your retail shop strategy of product and marketing must reach your consumer. It must resonate with them. Other basic factors to consider include business funding and marketing ideas. Will you need to use business loans? Will you take on investors? What types of marketing channels will you use? Will your retail shop need employees? Step 3. Raise capital. Starting a retail shop in Uganda will involve costs. Consider the amount of money required according to your business plan. The capital required to start a retail shop in Uganda ranges from 500,000 Uganda shillings to 10 million Uganda shillings. Depending on the location of your shop, the items you are to sell and the size of your retail shop, startup capital may vary. For more information on raising capital, see the link in the description below. Step 4. Find the right location. When starting a retail shop in Uganda, you need to focus on finding the best retail space for your business. Picking out a prime retail space for your business needs to be a focal point. While it can be tempting to try to pick a cheap location and hope your business generates a steady flow of customers through its marketing efforts, sometimes there's no substitute for being in a busy part of town. Try to place your retail location in an area where your target audience spends its time. While that tip may seem simple, retailers often focus on finding a location they think is fantastic, rather than trying to narrow down where their target market resides. Your focus when selecting a location and the size of your shop should always be your customer. Step 5. Legalize your business. Covering your legal basics includes choosing a business structure, following any regulations and obtaining the right licenses and permits. If you are opening a retail store for your business, you will need a few common business licenses and permits in order to stay in operation and remain in compliance. When it comes to selecting a legal structure, you follow the same process as most businesses. For retailers, however, becoming a sole proprietor can be risky. Taking on a business structure that doesn't place liability solely on the individual owner is a good way to mitigate your risk, should the business fail. It's common for retailers to become limited liability corporations, LLCs, or corporations. Both of those options help limit personal liability. Step 6. Find suppliers. Developing good relationships with your suppliers is critical when opening a retail location. Small business owners face challenges, and it's important to consistently please customers despite those challenges. If you're able to quickly develop relationships with suppliers, it will set your business up for success. This can prove difficult if you're using overseas suppliers, but still getting in touch with them often is good for your business. With a good relationship in place, you can easily get goods on credit and pay the balance later. This, however, requires you to be loyal and trustworthy. Those are the few steps required to start a retail shop in Uganda. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.